This is continuation from patient page, part 1. This is the registration number, RN, of this patient. Every patient will have a unique RN. This is the VN box with the visit number, VN. Every visit of the patient will have a unique VN. If a VN is entered in the VN box, clicking this icon will bring to that VN without opening the VN for editing. If a VN is entered in the VN box, clicking this icon will bring to that VN while opening the VN for editing. Any open VN must be finalized again and cannot be left open. This shows the number of drugs/substances that this patient is allergic to. Click on this to list all the drugs/substances. To view, add, edit or to delete the allergy info, click here. By default, only the name of the drugs/substances will be shown. Click Expand to show details. In this example, this is a drug allergy. This can be changed by clicking on this repetitively till the required value, drug, food or environment. The severity is mild. This can be changed by clicking on this repetitively till the required value, very mild, mild, moderate or severe. The onset of this allergy is at childhood. This can be changed by clicking on this repetitively till the required value, childhood, adulthood or unknown. And this is the allergic reaction towards this drug. If any of these info is changed, click this icon to save. This allergy can be deleted by clicking this icon. To record a new allergy, select the type here. For drugs, try to search and select from the drugs list first. If not available, then enter the name here manually. Select the severity. Enter the reaction. Select the onset. And click Add to save. Saved allergy info is now listed. Click Expand to show details of these allergies. The allergies in detailed view. Dictation can be done to record history and examination. Dictation is only available over HTTPS and internet connection is required. Let's go to history/examination to see how the dictation works. To enable dictation, click this icon till the mic appears in upright position. When the mic is in upright position, dictation is enabled. Place the cursor in the text area to have the text dictated. And start dictating. The dictated text will be displayed here briefly. And inserted it into the text area after a short while. Clicking name will bring to this visit starting page. This is the visit starting page. Male will be indicated with M at the end of the name, and female with F. Note that patient's name cannot be edited in this page. If this patient's previous visit is within 1 week, this indicator will be shown. Clicking on this indicator will hide it. This is the patient's IC or passport number. Note that patient's ID cannot be edited in this page. This is the patient's age as of the date of this visit, based on the date of birth. This box indicates whether automatic birthday SMS greeting is enabled or not. B in this box indicates the automatic birthday SMS greeting is enabled. To disable, click this box. The empty box indicates the automatic birthday SMS greeting is disabled. To enable, click on this box again. This is the panel this visit is tagged to. The tagging of panel is done during registration and visit creation. The panel can also be tagged/changed in the collection page. Clicking panel will show some helpful indicators. These are some of the indicators for this panel in the last 30 days. These are derived from all patients under this panel, not just the current patient. Clicking this blue box will show the panel's coverage details. These are this panel's coverage details. This number indicates the sales group for this panel. In this example, the sales group is 2. This is the sales group 2, so for visits with sales group 2, the prices specified in sales group 2 will be used, RM3 instead of RM5. To disable the special pricing for this visit and to follow the normal pricing as in sales group 1, click this sales group icon and it will be turned to gray. The gray box indicates that the special pricing for this panel is disabled. When injections or medicines are selected now, they will follow normal panel prices specified under sales group 1. Click this box to enable back the panel pricing. Note that for any special prices for the panel to take effect, this visit must be tagged to the panel before the investigations, injections or medicines are selected. This is the patient's workplace as saved during registration. Note that workplace cannot be edited here. These are the charging limits for this visit, if any. In this example, the limit is RM50 per visit, and RM1000 for the year. Alerts can be set for this patient here. Alerts will be active for all visits of this patient. To set an alert, enter the alert and click Update Alert. Alerts will be shown like this on all visits. To remove an alert, empty the alert and click Update Alert. Schedules lists tasks to be performed for this patient. These are the previously saved tasks. Green indicates completed tasks. Click on this task to show details. The details of this task is shown like this. Red indicates pending tasks. For tasks with reminder, a reminder will be shown on the day of the task. In this example, reminded indicates that the reminder has been issued. Task reminders will be indicated here at the top left corner. In this example there is one reminder in the green box, click to see the reminder. This is the task reminder. Click OK to acknowledge. Acknowledge the reminders as soon as possible as pending reminders will push newer reminders behind and you may risk losing out important reminders. This task can either be marked as completed by specifying the carried out on date, or rescheduled to a later date by specifying the rescheduled to date. Notes/remarks can be specified under memo if required. And click Update to save the changes. This task can also be dismissed/deleted by clicking Dismiss. Dismiss tasks are not permanently deleted, they can be viewed by clicking View All at the bottom. The dismissed tasks are shown in gray boxes. New task can be saved here. Specify the date for this task. Specify the task here. If appointment is ticked and time specified, this task will be automatically entered in the appointments page upon saving. By default, Reminder On indicates that the reminder is enabled, and reminder in form of notification will be issued on the day. This can be disabled by clicking on this box so that Off is shown. Notes/remarks can be specified under memo if required. Click Save. The task is now saved. To view or edit details, or to dismiss, click on this task to show details. To edit, change accordingly and click Update to save. To dismiss, click Dismiss. Auto-add vaccination dates will automatically enter the dates for vaccinations based on the patient's date of birth and the vaccination schedule as tasks. Note that this can only be done once as repetition will add on the same tasks as new tasks. Click Schedules to hide the Schedules box. This is the charge mode for this visit. Refer charge mode A and B for more details. PHR on indicates that this patient has activated patient portal and certain information will be available for the patient to view. To disable this visit's details being viewable in the patient portal, click this till PHR off appears. More details will show more demographic info and relationships for this patient. Any changes to these fields will be automatically saved if the visit is open for editing. These occupation details are used for audiometry and reports. If the patient is linked to other patients, the relationships will be listed here. If the patient's image is available, more details will be shown in blue. The patient's image will be shown here. If QMS is used and Q number has been given, this QMS box will be shown here. Select the room number here. And click this call button to call this patient via the QMS. The called time will be displayed here. The Education tab will show some helpful information. Travel advisory, including recommended vaccinations, can be obtained here. Select a country and click Get Advisory. These are the recommendations. Clicking on the links, blue fonts, will bring to the relevant external websites, internet required. These are some of the medical illustrations to assist the doctor in educating patients. Clicking this link will show the illustration. The illustration will be shown here. Click the Education tab to close this box. Clicking Drugs shows the drug information search box. Search and select the drug here. The drug's information will be shown here. Pregnancy category shows the safety levels of the drug in pregnancy. If the drug is not found, it can be searched in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, subject to availability. Tick here. And specify whether to search by generic name, brand name or both. In this example, we search for acetaminophen. Click Search. Select the drug from this list. This list provides all the drugs that match the name that we searched for, from the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Upon selecting, a PDF file containing the drug information will be downloaded and displayed. Click Drugs to close this box. Clicking SMS will show the SMS box. If SMS credit and valid phone number is available, SMS message can be directly sent to this patient by entering the message and clicking Send. Click SMS to close the SMS box. Non-medical or administrative notes can be recorded for this patient under Non-clinical notes. This is the Non-clinical notes box. To save some notes, enter the notes and click Add. This number indicates the number of the notes saved. Saved notes will be displayed in chronological order in this box. The notes can be deleted by double-clicking the date and time. The notes cannot be permanently deleted and will still be shown in semi-transparent boxes. The note can still be viewed by clicking this box. The deleted notes. Click Non-clinical notes to close this box. This tab shows the patient group. The group can be specified while registering the patient. It can also be specified/changed by clicking on this tab. Click repetitively till the required group is displayed. The group is auto-saved when the VN is open for editing. In this example, the group Aesthetics has been saved for this visit. To remove the group, click repetitively till no group is displayed in this box. The list of groups are managed via Add/Edit Patient Groups. Nursing notes can be recorded for this patient under Nursing Notes. To save some notes, enter the notes and click Add. This number indicates the number of saved notes. Saved notes will be displayed in chronological order in this box. The notes can be deleted by double-clicking the date and time. The notes cannot be permanently deleted and will still be shown in semi-transparent boxes. The note can still be viewed by clicking this box. The deleted notes. Click Nursing Notes to close this box. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 3.